More homes are selling off MLS or off the market than on the market. Don't believe me? Let me show you proof. So right now I'm looking at homes on the market, Mullica Hill 08062, which encompasses South Harrison as well. You can see here the key details. It is, of course, a seller's market, 2 months worth of inventory. A balanced market is at least 6 months worth of inventory. Median sold price is over $667,000. And if you scroll down, this is all through Bright MLS information. We're going to go right to the sold listings. So see here, the dollar volume is $14,376,000. 22 homes sold in May of 2024, all right here. $235 is the median square foot. Now, this is the actual number in tax records of what has sold. Here's what's interesting. Let's go to public records, and that means what's sold on the MLS. 11 homes, that's half the inventory. Total dollar volume of $5,886,000. That's less than half of the dollar inventory. The average cost per square foot on market is $209. Remember now, off market, the average cost per square foot is $235,000, which shows you the best homes are selling before they hit the MLS. I've been talking about this and talking about this. Now I have evidence. There's more reason than ever to call us, 856-478-3122, to talk to us about our off-market properties so that you can find the home of your dreams.